Decoding Culinary Phrases. Add noodles or rice. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in cooking contexts, especially in recipes or when talking about meal preparation. We'll dive into the meaning and use of the phrase, add noodles or rice. Whether you're a food lover, a cooking enthusiast, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers of this culinary instruction together. The phrase, add noodles or rice, might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. This instruction typically appears in recipes or cooking guides and suggests that the cook has a choice between two popular carbohydrate options, noodles or rice. These ingredients are staples in various cuisines around the world, each bringing its own texture and flavor profile to a dish. The choice between them can alter the dish's taste, texture, and overall culinary experience. Before we go further, let's break down the roles of noodles and rice in cooking. Noodles, made from dough and available in numerous shapes, sizes, and flavors. Noodles are a key ingredient in many Asian and European dishes. They can be boiled, fried, or served in soup, absorbing the flavors of the other ingredients they're cooked with. Rice, a versatile grain that acts as a foundation for countless dishes worldwide. It can be steamed, boiled, or fried, serving as a perfect backdrop for rich sauces, vegetables, and proteins. Rice comes in various types, including white, brown, jasmine, and basmati, each with its unique taste and texture. Understanding the unique characteristics of noodles and rice is crucial for making an informed decision when you encounter the phrase, add noodles or rice, in a recipe. When a recipe suggests, add noodles or rice, it's inviting you to customize the dish according to your preference or dietary needs. Here are a few tips on how to make the best choice. 1. Consider the cuisine. Think about the dish's origin. Is it Asian, like a stir-fry or curry, which might pair better with rice? Or is it a European dish like a hearty stew, which could go well with noodles? 2. Texture and flavor preferences. Do you prefer the chewy texture of noodles or the soft, absorbent nature of rice? The choice can significantly affect the dish's final texture and flavor profile. 3. Dietary considerations. For those with dietary restrictions, choosing between noodles and rice might come down to gluten content or calorie considerations. 4. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try the dish with both options on different occasions. It's a great way to discover new flavor combinations and textures. The phrase, add noodles or rice, is more than a simple cooking instruction. It's an invitation to explore and customize dishes to suit your taste. Whether you lean towards the comforting chewiness of noodles or the fluffy lightness of rice, this choice allows you to play with your food in the best possible way. We hope this video has shed some light on how to navigate this culinary decision with confidence. Happy cooking, and remember, the best dishes are the ones that suit your palate. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.